Hello, family. We are here again today, and today we're going to talk about YouTube Shorts. Stay tuned so you can learn more about it. Here we go, family. YouTube Shorts. Do you know about YouTube Shorts? Those little short videos that you can do up to 1 minute. Well, I have been researching about YouTube Shorts. I've done a couple of videos myself. I first made a video about YouTube Shorts in November. Sorry, it was October. In October, when they were first talking about it, and it began in India, they did it overseas. And on their phones in India, they have the app for YouTube Shorts. So it's more easier for them to upload their shorts. And that's why you see more shorts from overseas. But it is like the movie, it's coming to America. It's already here. So we need to get ready, get our things in order so we can be prepared. Now with YouTube Shorts, you're not making a lot of money in the first beginning. But see, YouTube is watching TikTok. TikTok is making the bucks, the money, okay? So YouTube is going to follow in tune because YouTube wants to be number one in everything they do. And I can't blame them. I cannot blame them. So you need to get on this YouTube short train and catch your ride and get on board. What you need to do when you're making your YouTube shorts, your phone needs to be vertical, straight down. You don't need to hold it in the landscape mode like we normally do when we are making a video. Just do it straight up and down with your phone. That's how you do a YouTube short. And also in your title, you always have to have hashtag shorts, SHORTS. You can also put that in your description, the hashtag shorts. But make sure, that's very, very, very important, that you have that hashtag shorts next to your title. Okay, when you do your YouTube short, you do it the same way you do when you upload any normal video. You got to have your description. You got to have your title. And then you got to do your description. And when you put in your description, the first sentence should be whatever your title is, word for word. You put that in your description. Make sure you fill out your description completely. I'm not a big YouTuber. I am a small YouTuber, but I research and read, and I have seen how my doing research and learning about videos, how my videos have grown from putting the knowledge that I have learned into my videos. And it does make a big difference with your SEO. You need to have that the name of your, the title of your video, the first sentence in your description. A lot of people are not even filling out. I've watched countless videos where no one fills out anything in the description. What's up with that? You should always have, like if you have other social media, Facebook, Twitter, or whatever, that needs to be in your IG, because everybody is bad on IG. You need to have it in your description so people will know how to get in contact with you. And your email address, you should have a separate email address from your main email address anyway for your business activities. But fill out your description, do it right now. And then when you go down to your tags, the first tag should always be your title. What your title is. That title is in 3 places. Title, and your description, and the first tag you put in your tags should be your title. If you're doing it by mobile, I think you do 250 tags. But if you do it on your home computer or a laptop, it's up to 500 tags. Put them in, put the tags pertaining to your video or the short video that you're doing. I go and see so many tags, they have everything in the world but what that video is about. No. Everybody's name, anybody's name that's big that they think that can pull them in, they put their name in there. No. The tags should be about your video. Your video. So do it right. You need to have a thumbnail. Just like with any other video you do, you need to make a good thumbnail. So make sure you have that done right. Depending on the time, you have up to 60 seconds to do a short. But in my researching, I have come across shorts that are like 15 seconds to 30 seconds do the best. Because you know people's time, their time span to look at things, there's so many videos out here now. People don't want to spend a lot of time going through a long video. So the shorter it is, the more to the point, the more they like it. So make your video short and to the point. And also, when you make a video, this is for your regular videos, just like the shorts, always put them in a playlist. Make you a playlist. You can put your video up I'm all tongue-tied, into 2 different playlists. Blah, blah, blah. Into 2 different playlists. So do it right. Every video you upload, even your normal videos, put them into 2 playlists. Always remember you can do the end screen, do your cards, and your cards should be pertaining to what your video is about to lead people to watch other videos about the same thing. So that's getting people to go and watch more of your videos. Do it right, and it will come back and bless you. Because if you have it set up the right way, you don't have to worry about it. You want to be able to get 100% on that SEO score so that your video will be put out. Now, I'm not going to say it's not, if you get up to 100% don't means that your video is going to be all over the place. It takes time. Like with anything, it takes time and you have to build it up. But if you do it the right way, you will reap from that crop. So get into the shorts. No, it's not monetized as of now, but get those videos ready because that is the future and it is coming. And if you have your catalog of videos all ready to go, when it pops, you'll be in there. You'll be riding that train. So get on board now. I'm doing it myself. I put out my first video about shorts, like I told you before, in October. And this is March, and I'm just starting to do videos because I see where this is leading to. I see, said the blind man. So open your eyes so you can see. No, you're not going to rack up a lot of revenue right now, but your payday is coming. So do it right. When you upload that video, upload it the right way. And let's get on this short train and see what the end's going to be. I thank you for watching this video. I love you, but God loves you more. Be blessed and prosperous. Remember that you are God's masterpiece. And our God does not make any junk. I love you, but God loves you more. Bye-bye.
Getting ready. ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle. Getting ready for greatness. Getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.